In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very beautiful and classy clay floral choker. Hi, I'm Shobori from hookedandloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have used the Fevicryl molded air dry clay. We will take equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener and mix them until the mixture is completely white and uniform. We will take small portion of the clay and give it a rectangular shape using our fingers on top of a plastic sheet, as the clay will not stick to the plastic sheet. So we will give it a rectangular shape with slightly round corners in this manner. The shape need not be exact. And we will smoothen the surface using a little bit of water in the fingertips in this manner. Slightly fold the clay surface. It is not necessary. We will take a pointed object and make holes on either sides in this manner. We will be passing the necklace cords through these holes. Now we will be making the flowers. So this is the central round portion of the flower. We will take a small piece of clay, flatten it and give it a nearly triangular shape. Fold it at the bottom and the petal is ready. In this manner, make all the remaining petals. Always use your fingers for making the petals. It will give a realistic look. It's your wish, however. We will quickly complete our flower. And in order to prevent the petals from covering up the holes, we will place tissue paper below the petals in this manner. After drying up, we will remove the tissue papers. We will just flatten the petals at the center portion using our clay tool. I made the clay tool myself. If you want to see the tutorial on the clay tool, then comment in the comment section. Finally, we are placing a central round portion of the flower, and our flower is ready. Make holes at the center with pointed object and some flower impressions, that is the petal impressions, we are making using the clay tools. These portions are completely based on your wish, whether you want to do these detailings or not. However, I will recommend you to do this. This will add a realistic effect to your flowers. Okay, so now we will be making leaves. So take small portion of clay, give it a teardrop shape and flatten it, and with the help of clay tool, give the leaf impression in this manner. We will be making holes at the top portion of the leaf using the pointed object, and also we will be making 2 holes at the bottom portion of the rectangular base that we made. These holes need not be too large because we will be attaching the leaves with threads. Okay, we will let it dry for 3 to 4 hours until it hardens up completely, and we will then start painting on it. We will paint it completely white using white colored acrylic or fabric paint. The white color will act as a primer for the paint we will be adding later on, and then we will let it dry for some time. Finally, we will start painting on our work based on our imagination. I choose to give a very dark background of the flower, and the flower will be slightly pinkish color. However, it's your imagination how you want to paint it, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. we will do the remaining detailings of the painting if required and let it dry, and then we will add a layer of Dendrite Wood Shine Wood Gloss on top of it for the glossy effect, and it will also act as a color protectant. We will pass the thread through the holes of the leaves and tie a knot in this manner. We will cut out the extra thread and then pass the threads through the hole of the rectangular base in this manner. Tie a knot in the manner I am showing you, and then we will cut the extra portion of the thread and stick it using the fabric glue. Just wrap it around the thread and stick the remaining portion with fabric glue. In the same manner, we will be attaching the other leaf also. Finally, we will be passing our necklace cord through the holes on either side of the choker in this manner. Do the same thing on the other side and decorate our neck piece with thread beads and ghungroos. And our beautiful choker is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. It's very beautiful and classy. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos, I will make those for you. And thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.